The question is how to convert a 2:1 multiplexer into a NOR gate. Let me reveal its answer. This is a NOR gate. It has two inputs A and B and output is A plus B bar. That means not of OR gate, and this is how NOR gate works. This is the truth table of a NOR gate. When A and B both are 0, only in that case output is 1. For all the other combinations, output is always 0. Now we will convert a 2:1 MUX into a NOR gate. And this is a symbol of 2:1 multiplexer. And as a thumb rule, I will apply one of the input to the select line of a multiplexer, and I am applying A to the select line of the multiplexer. And we know that when A is 0 or the select line is 0, I0 input will be passed at the output of the multiplexer. And let us see what is the expected output. When A is 0, the expected output is B bar. When B is 0, output is 1. When B is 1, output is 0. So we will apply B bar. So we will tie B bar to the input I0. Now when A is 1, we know that I1 will be passed at the output of the multiplexer. And let us see what is the expected output. When A is 1, output is always 0, irrespective of B. So we will tie 0 to the I1 input of the multiplexer. And this is how we can implement a NOR gate with the help of 2:1 multiplexer.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your support means a lot to us.